Are payment failures causing high order cancellations and lost customers in your e-commerce journey? Well, it is true and it happens very often. High order cancellations and cart abandonment due to slow checkouts and payment failures are some of the most common problems for every e-commerce brand. But what if I told you can avoid these hassles? With our proficiency in Shopify, we can develop a seamless payment gateway extension. The benefits are customized, secure, and fast payment gateway solution integrated with Shopify can not only solve your cart abandonment issues but will also result in increased customer retention and sales. So imagine the growth OrangeMantra could bring to your business. So avoid the hassles businesses encounter in their e-commerce journey and connect with us today for specialized e-commerce solutions. Till then, innovate, integrate, and accelerate your e-commerce journey.